Question number 15. The question says a delegation of, question number 15 I'm going to start. Okay, they are saying a delegation of 4 people have to be selected. Delegation of 4 people have to be selected. This is the first thing they are telling us. Okay, from 5 women and 6 men. From 5 women and 6 men. A delegation of 4 people are to be selected from 5 women and 6 men. This is the first thing they are telling us. In A part, they are saying, I have to find the number of possible delegation. A part is saying when there is no restriction, when they are giving us no restriction, how I'm going to do the working. So I will say, okay, no restrictions are there. So 5 women and 6 men will make it 11. And I have to select 4 people. So 11 C4, you will simplify it and you will have your answer. As there was no obstruction, there was no restriction. So 11 C4, that is going to be my answer. Okay. Now in B part, they are saying there is at least 1 woman. There is at least 1 woman over there. Okay. B part, at least 1 woman. Okay, so I have to work with at least 1 woman means it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, or it can be 4. Okay, at least 1 woman means it can be 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 2 ways to solve this one. I'm going to solve them one by one so you can get your understanding. At least 1 woman means I can have 1 woman or I can have more than 1 woman in that group, right? So if they are saying that at least 1 woman should be there, then how will I do the working? I have got 5 women, so I can say 5C1. I'm selecting only 1. So when I have selected from 5, I have selected 1 woman. So from 6 men, I am going to select 3 men. Okay, that's my first working when they are saying at least 1 woman. Now, if I am selecting, I said no. Let's select 2 women. So again, 5C2 into remaining will be selected from here 6C2. Okay. Again, I'm changing it. I'm selecting 3 women. So 5C3 into 6C1. Total should be equals to 4. So you can see 1 plus 3, 4. 2 and plus 2, 4. And 3 plus 1, 4. Right? Last one. I'm selecting all from here. 5C4. All of them are selected from here. So you can leave it like that, or you can say 6C0. Okay. Writing 6C0 is not necessary because I have 5C4 till 5C4. Okay. So now I have got at least 1 woman. So at least 1 woman means it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. So basically we are working with OR concept. Either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So I can write all of them like this and I will have my final answer while, okay, when I will solve this thing by using calculator, I will have my final answer. Now I am going to solve this question by another method. What is that method? See, they have said that at least one woman should be there in each group. At least one woman should be there in each group. So I am going to do another thing. What if I say, let's make a group of total ways in which I can get my result. Okay, total ways minus no women selection group. If I will subtract these two, I will directly get my answer. Okay. So what is the total number of ways? So total ways I have already found it. That was 11C4. Okay. Whatever will be the possibilities, everything is covered over here. Right? After that, no woman. I'm not selecting any woman. Okay. So out of women, I'm not selecting anyone. 5C0 and 6C4. What will this give you? Total, whatever possibilities are there for this one woman, two women, four women, no other women, all are selected over here. Out of which I am subtracting those cases in which women are not selected. So when I will subtract it from there, what will I get? If I am selected from total, no women groups are all cancelled. So what will I have? Either I will have one woman, two women, three women, or four women group. So this answer and this answer both will give you same solution.